This is an innovation in the world of cameras. This is tiny little camera that could record your video in HD format. It's 1080. It has micro SD card with 32 gigabytes here, right here inside. You can adjust this camera literally everywhere by using this magnet or these clips, or even the mount for some places like your bicycle, or it depends. It could also take pictures. It could also detect the movement and start recording each time it's figure out something moving around. And you can easily transfer it to your computer by using this cable or by using this micro SD card right here. Also, it could record the video around 4 hours and audio for 7 hours. So it's a really cool thing if you want to attach it somewhere at your house and check what's going on. Buy, try, and like.